Last weekend, I was planning to take my dog for a walk early in the morning. When I got up, it was -4 degrees Fahrenheit. I decided to wait a few hours and went out later that morning when it was 12 degrees Fahrenheit. How much warmer was it by the time I went for my walk?
So is she deciding to use a vertical strategy or a horizontal? Right? Vertical, yeah, vertical's up and down.
On -4. And then from -4 I minused this 4 and I got 0. And then from 0, I plus 12. And I got to 12. And then I plus the 12 and the 4, and I got 16. For the difference between the morning and the late morning.
Great. Do people have comments or questions about Kayla's strategy? Do you notice something that's maybe a little bit different from yours if you did the same strategy? Or maybe you have other questions or comments for her. Kayla, you can call on kids.
Sorry. Mine, the -4 was on the 12.
I think I understand what you're saying. Your -4 was switched, so your -4 was down here at the bottom. Is that right? And your 12 was actually up here. Okay. Well, let's think about that. Does it matter in terms of the math? Like, is Kayla and Sayori going to get different answers based on the 12 and the 4 being in different places? What do you think? Sophia?
No.
No. Can you explain that?
Because if you switch it around, it's the same, only that the 4 is up and the 12 is down.
So let me draw this quickly. And Sayori, tell me if this is right. Okay. I have 0 here, 12 here, and -4 here. Is that right? So here we have a distance of 12. And here we have a distance of George?
4.
4. And do you notice anything the same about these now? Meg, if I'm blocking you, you can scoot out. Brianna?
The 4
Are the same.
So we've got a jump of 4 and a jump of 4. What else?
And a jump of 12.
Jump of 12 and?
A jump and
so 4.
same answer.
So you started to say there's a jump of 12 here. Do you see a jump over here?
Yes.
Okay, so we got a jump of 12 here. So I don't know how you guys are thinking about it. This is how I'm thinking about it. On Kayla's, we've got a 4 and a 12. And on Sayori's, we've got a jump of a 12 and a 4. What do you think about these two addition situations? Come on, hands up, kids. Aaron, what do you think about these?
That they're this switched around.
Okay. What does it say about the total?
Oh, they're the exact same.
Same total.
Last December, I visited my grandparents in Canada when the temperature was 25 degrees Fahrenheit. 5 years ago, when I visited them, it was 32 degrees colder than that. What was the temperature 5 years ago at my grandparents'?
How could we figure out what's 32 degrees colder than 25 degrees Fahrenheit? Any ideas? Any ideas? How about somebody new? George.
You could do a number line.
Okay. Do you want to tell me what to do?
You could do a number line horizontal.
Okay.
And then you could write 25 right there. Then you would minus 25.
Interesting. That's a really good strategy. I want to make sure everybody's following. He wants to know what the temperature would be if it's 32 degrees colder. First of all, can you show me with your hands, is 32 degrees colder going to be that way? Here's 0. Is 32 degrees colder going to be that way or this way? Can you point, please? I see most kids pointing this way. So you want to travel 32 degrees going this way. And you decided on something very smart, which is to do a big jump of 25. Why not?
And then since that was 25 and I'm trying to get to 32, I thought I would make my jumps a 5 with another 5.
Okay, because you saw the 5 here. So you're going to go to another 5. Let me ask kids, just to make sure they're following your strategy. Where does he land when he jumps back 25 below 0? Jumps back 5 below 0. Where does he land? Kunjan?
-5.
-5. Okay, what do you need to do next?
And then since it was 32 and I was at 30, I just want to minus 2 more. And I got to -7.
Okay.
And that was my answer.
That was really awesome thinking.